In this video, we'll explore the Sensitive Data Discovery feature, which enables the identification and reporting of sensitive data in target databases. To begin, the Kron PAM administrator navigates to the Sensitive Data Discovery menu and adds a new discovery schedule. Kron PAM administrator enters schedule name and a description for the scan, then enters scan period to define how frequently the scan should occur. Then selects the database server to scan, along with specific schemas and tables on the target server. The number of threads to scan in parallel can also be selected from this screen. Next, the administrator selects the data discovery type. This could be based on data patterns to detect specific formats, such as credit card numbers or social security numbers, regulation standards, such as GDPR, ISO 27001, or HIPAA, to ensure compliance with industry or legal requirements. Once all parameters are configured, the administrator saves the discovery schedule. While scans can run automatically based on the defined schedule, they can also be triggered manually if an immediate scan is needed. After the scan is completed, system administrators can review the results to identify any detected sensitive data. From this screen, administrators have the option to define masking rules for the sensitive data. These masking rules help protect sensitive information from unauthorized access during database operations.